So I'm Del, the owner of Smart Valeting UK, and this is one of our van setups. So starting at the rear of the van, we are obviously advertising Diamond Bright ceramic coating. We apply Diamond Bright ceramic coating across the whole of the UK using their renowned ceramic advanced coating. So starting in the rear of the van, we have our bottle holders with our Auto Smart products. We have a selection of detailing brushes for the hard to reach areas. We also have an airline, so that helps us get all the dirt out of hard to reach areas. In the back there we have some refill bottles, 5 litre refill bottles. We have a 20 metre power lead. We have a 20 metre retractable pressure washer lead which runs off the Honda pressure washer. We have grit guard buckets, we have prep bottles, and we also have a card machine for our clients to be able to pay us on site. So we use the Honda pressure washers for their durability, and it also allows us to have a specially adapted pump to turn the pressure washer down when we're washing caravans, so it's safe for all the seals when washing. And we can adapt up to 25-30 metres of lead on these pressure washing machines. So going round to the side door of the van, we have again our bottle holders for our aerosols, silicone sprays, glass cleaner sprays. We have a remote control generator. It's a 4 kVH, it's remote control, so it allows us to switch it on at ease. We can power all our vacuum cleaners, our extension leads and our compressor tank. We have Charles the wet vac. We have an Henry Hoover. We also have collapsible steps for reaching the top of caravan roofs. And then on top of the water tank, this is a 650 litre water tank. We can then store our petrol cans, spare cloths, spare equipment for when we're on the job. We also have our brushes on the bulkhead for doing caravan roofs and the caravan sides, one that doesn't scratch and one that's a bit more harsher for getting the dirt off the roofs. So this van has a double side loading door which gives us access to this side of the van where we can fill up the tank. We can also refill our bottles and dilute them. We can carry our waterproof equipment. We can also carry Diamond Bright products, spare Diamond Bright products, extension leads and other array of valeting accessories. So to the cab of the vehicle, we've specially adapted this to have a reversing camera, so when we're turned up at your site, we're driving backing onto your driveway, the staff can see how close we are to your car or your caravan. We also have the safety beacons when we're on site. So at the front, when your customers are walking around your pitch while we're on site doing pitch washing, it's just showing your customers that we're here on site. So this van allows us to wash at least 20 vans on site if we're doing a pitch wash. It also allows us to visit your site to wash 20 cars. It's personalised to the staff a little bit, so we allow the staff to have their child's name or their loved one's names on the van, so it's a part of their life as well. So should you need a car valet or a caravan valet anywhere in the East Midlands or the UK, you literally just have to go onto our website, click on the book now button and we'll come out to you.